because I'm not even gonna say nothing. I'm not even gonna say nothing. Y'all see it. Y'all see it. Y'all see this wig. Y'all see it. I'm not gonna say nothing. I'll wait. Hey girl, hey, and welcome back to my channel for another Wig Wednesday. Yes, sis, we're still here for it. Do y'all see it? Like, what? Man, y'all stop playing with me. Y'all stop playing. Y'all stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. Huh? Bitch, you wait. Wig Wednesday is basically all about helping each other. I help you by helping you find the most bomb wigs out there. We're gonna slay all 2K19 on a budget, sis. I help you save your coins. You help me by subscribing to my channel. Like, don't come and get this bomb wig, y'all. This wig is bomb, y'all. So if y'all come watch this video and y'all don't subscribe, then you fake. And I'm not gonna leave the link to this wig down below, because if you're not subscribing, then you don't need the link to this wig. So yeah, these wigs are bomb. Y'all better stop sleeping on Amazon and all these synthetic wigs, because baby, they coming through. They coming through. But yes, I'm not gonna keep you guys much longer, so we're gonna go ahead and get into this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Alright, y'all, so this bomb wig did come from Charisma from Amazon. It was very affordable, you guys. It came with a wig cap, their store details, and of course the wig. It came with 3 clips, one on the left, middle, and right, and an adjustable strap as well at the bottom. You guys, the only thing that I've really done to this wig was just pluck the front part. Y'all, it was so easy to pluck the frontal. I don't know what kind of recipe they used to put this hair on this cap, but y'all, it was so easy for me to get the hair off the wig, so I would definitely recommend this wig, y'all. This is how much hair that I plucked away from the frontal. This is optional. You know, you pluck as much or as little as you like. And here I'm just showing you guys how I just cut out the lace. Alright, girl, so we are making it to this wig. We about to throw her on, go ahead and install her. Y'all, I just wanted to let y'all know really quickly how easy it was to pluck this wig. I know there's a lot of people out there who don't know how to really customize wigs, but y'all, when I tell you, when I put that tweezer to that hair and it just went to falling out, now I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing, but y'all, it was so easy to pluck this wig. So normally with synthetic wigs, for me, in my experience, when I try to pluck the frontal part, sometimes it's hard to, you know, pluck the wig. Like, the hair just want to stay on the wig. Like, sis is not trying to go nowhere. You don't want to move. But y'all, this wig, it was so easy to pluck the hair from the around the front part. So I really do appreciate that. Let's go ahead and prep my head to go ahead and install this wig.
Ọmọ jà rúlé ọmọ jà wọlé o, say we get to bed o, so no delay. See, by the end of the night she be wanting more, by the end of the day they be wanting more. Busting out the place and they wanted more. My people, them I wanted more. Ọmọ jà rúlé ọmọ jà wọlé o, say we get to bed o, so no delay.
Okay, y'all, so as of right now, it's just thrown on my head. It's okay. Like, I'm feeling the color, feeling the length, not feeling how the lace look as of right now. I'm definitely gonna fix that. But y'all, for right now, so far so good. Y'all, I said for this style I wanted to do like a little flip over thing. Ooh. Like that's doing right there. Ow. Hold on now, we're getting a little ahead of ourselves. Watch this, watch this. Oh. Yay, come through, Charisma. All right, y'all, so what I'm gonna try to do is put a little makeup on the lace really quickly. So what I'm about to do right now, after I added the makeup to the lace or whatever, I'm about to go ahead and do my edges, and I'll be right back with my final thoughts. Y'all, this wig should pop in. Alright, y'all, so after I customized my edges and all of that, laid those edges down, y'all, this wig is bomb, y'all. Like, I really like the wig. Like, I love like the flowiness of it. I love the cut. Like, I love like everything about it, like the color, the curls, like y'all see this wig, like this wig is really giving me life. Like, she's really coming through. Now y'all, I ain't gonna lie, now I wanted to go for this, like, what you call that when your hair be up like this in the front and then it just fall down. Y'all try to do that, so I sprayed some of my Got To Be and then I blow dried it, but y'all, it didn't work. It didn't work, so I'm still trying to fix it or whatever, because I really want that look. This wig, I love it. I think out of all the wigs I've done thus far, like, this has to be now #1. Like, so now this is my #1 wig. It was the blue one, then the red one, but y'all, no, I think it was the green one, then the red one. But y'all, Miss Gray is coming through and she's taking over, like, bitch way. This wig is like oh woman, like, this the kind of wig I want when I get old. Like, when I'm like 80, 90, everybody else walking around with they you know, their little natural gray hair. Boo, I'm gonna come out with this, like, come again and say what? Like, she's great and she's here. Where the sugar daddy's at. Like, I really do love this wig. I hope you guys love it too. Y'all, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, y'all. I know y'all rocking with your girl, because I mean, like, you're here for this wig. I'm here for this wig. We here for this wig. So we just here, y'all. We here. That's pretty much it for this video, you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in for another Wig Wednesday, you guys. We are on a roll. We are not missing a Wednesday. Knock on wood. We're gonna make sure we continue to slay with these. I know my hand is not wood, but y'all, I ain't got no wood around me right now, so don't mind that. I'm gonna make sure I do my best to keep these videos coming for you guys, so you guys can start saving y'all money and slaying on the budget, y'all. That's the move. All 2K19, we saving our coins and we still gonna slay and be cute and whatever, like. Where the grandpa's at? Where the grandpa's at? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss another Wig Wednesday, y'all. Don't forget to follow me on all my social medias, you guys. I mean, we be lit. We lit everywhere we go. If you like this wig, comment down below. Let me know which one thus far, as far as on Wig Wednesday. As far as on Wig Wednesday, which wig is your favorite wig thus far? This has to be my favorite wig, y'all. I'm loving it. She love it. Yes. I need to find me somewhere to go. I'll see you guys in my next one. I love you guys so much. Later.
My fantasy, cause you turn me on, now you're taking me all night long. Bad man, oh Lord of His mercy. VQs, make them know. Bad man, bulaka, 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 bulaka.